In today's video, I'll show you how to improve your Google Ads quality score to drive more conversions. Your quality score is one of the most important metrics in Google Ads. It measures the relevance and quality of your ads, keywords, and landing pages. A higher score not only boosts your ad position, but also lowers your cost per click, meaning you'll pay less while reaching more people. Let's go step by step. First, go to the Google Ads website. You can simply search for Google Ads in your browser. Once you're there, click Sign In and log into your account. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads dashboard where you can see all your campaigns. On the left-hand menu, click on Campaigns. This gives you an overview of all your active and paused campaigns. Take a moment to review which ones might need optimization. Focusing on underperforming campaigns first helps you get faster results. Next, head to the Assets tab. Assets are the creative components of your ads, such as headlines, images, descriptions, or videos. These play a big role in how engaging and relevant your ad appears to users. Click Create Asset to add new visuals or copy that match your campaign's goal. Strong visuals and clear messaging can significantly improve user engagement, which in turn impacts your quality score. Now, let's talk about ad copy, especially your headlines. Click on Headlines under the Assets section. This is where you'll either add new headlines or edit the existing ones. Your headlines should include relevant keywords and clearly communicate what you're offering. Try to make them specific, engaging, and aligned with what users are searching for. For example, if you're advertising digital marketing courses, use keywords like Learn Digital Marketing Online or Master SEO and PPC. The closer your headlines match the search intent, the higher your ad relevance will be. After refining your headlines, review your descriptions. Write clear, concise descriptions that highlight benefits or solutions, not just features. Adding a strong call to action like "Get started today" or "Sign up for free" can also improve your click-through rate. Next, make sure your landing page matches your ad message. When someone clicks on your ad, they should immediately find what was promised in the headline. The landing page should load quickly, be mobile-friendly, and provide useful information that helps the user take the next step. You should also pay attention to keyword relevance. Use keywords that directly match your ad's intent and remove any that are too broad or unrelated. This helps Google understand exactly what your ad is about, making it more likely to show up for the right audience. Over time, regularly check your campaign performance. Keep testing new headlines, descriptions, and landing pages. Even small adjustments, like updating keywords or refreshing visuals, can steadily improve your quality score. Following these steps will boost your quality score, improve ad ranking, and help you get more conversions while spending less. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more simple, practical tips on improving your Google Ads performance.